Welcome to Know It All, your ultimate hub for knowledge, curiosity, and discovery.
In today's video, we're diving into how AI can skyrocket your productivity in 2024. From writing assistants to task automation, let's explore the top tools that will save you time and effort. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a powerful ally in our daily lives. Whether you're a student, professional, or creator, these AI tools can help you get more done faster. One of the standout AI tools is ChatGPT, which is perfect for writing assistants and idea generation. Whether you need help drafting an email, brainstorming content ideas, or even coding, ChatGPT can assist you in seconds. For instance, if you're stuck on content ideas, simply type in your topic, and ChatGPT will provide a list of potential angles to explore. You can also refine the results by asking follow-up questions or requesting more detailed answers. While ChatGPT is great for writing and brainstorming, there are other AI tools that can help streamline your workflow. Notion AI is a fantastic tool for organizing your projects. It can automatically summarize notes, generate task lists, and even help structure your content. Grammarly's AI-driven writing assistant helps you polish your documents by catching errors and suggesting improvements, making sure your writing is always top-notch. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. In the end, I just want to say that these AI tools are revolutionizing our daily routines, helping us accomplish more with less effort. Begin incorporating them into your workflow, and you'll see a significant boost in your productivity. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to learn more about AI tools.